Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you all how to make beautiful flower using finger and ordinary wool. This stunning masterpiece can add a little touch of elegance to your project. To begin, wrap around wool on your pointer finger for 20 times. Then attach needle at the extension of the wool and sew around the wool on your finger. Now when you get to the point where you began, please sew to secure. Then sew round again the second layer. Please follow the pattern in which I'm sewing it. Please guys, remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. At this point, attach a medium-sized bead to cover the opening the finger created and to make the flower flawless and beautiful. I trust you will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you all soon.